Hello, welcome to the stream, guys. If you are new here, my name is Balaji. I am a cybersecurity student at the University of Maryland in the US. Oh my god, Zedin's struck? I hope so. Awesome. Yeah. Man's upgrading, man. Man's upgrading the stream. I'm just playing some music. Uh, don't worry, I'm not going to get copyright because it's called Stream Beats. It's a copyright free music apparently. So you don't have to worry about the getting copyright or copyright, like what is it? um like playing copyrighted music or something like that. It won't happen, don't worry. Whew. So today is going to be a big day because I'm on the verge of completing the project, so should I say. But yeah, let's get started. So before that, I just want to change some music. I want to play this dissimulation. I love Casey, man. He's good, like he's really good. Oh, awesome, let's get started. So today it's going to be about password section. Yeah, we are going to create, like, implement show password, like the backend. Yeah, let me check. Awesome. I just want to change some things. I'm new to this, playing the music in this stream, so let me know in the comments if you like, if my voice is too low because of the music, and if it is, I can just reduce the volume, I guess. I cannot pretend it. Alright, so I need to implement show password today and then tidy up some of the backend and then just add some comments on the backend code. I think that'd be the first priority for today. And then maybe if I have time, I might start with the session management, which is pretty important for me. Oh, all right. So, okay, what I was thinking is that, like, if I delete, it goes to the new page and then it asks for enter the master password, and then when I hit submit, then the like the password gets deleted. But for now, what I'm trying to do is that if I click show password, I need to enter the master password, and then when the master password is entered, then I'll show the password. Oh, and oh yeah, I also need to change the implementation for storing the password. I shouldn't hash using the Argan UI because I cannot bring back the password again because it's a one-way function. Yeah, this must be changed. Okay, let us check some encryption algorithms. Okay, good. Yeah, I was looking at this yesterday actually. So this one I know, or this one. How to implement this one just to make sure everything works. Mm-hmm. Okay. But this one is a hash function. Yeah, I might implement the previous this one. Yeah, I might implement this one. It's going. I think it's going to be easy. I just need to understand how it works. Pause the music for some time, then I'll just play again. Okay, so secret key encryption. Oh, okay. Symmetric key encryption says single key to both encrypt and decrypt data. They pass PHP data on encrypt and normal SSL. Increase sodium, which is more modern, widely considered more secure. If you're running an older version of PHP, you can install Sodium via the PHP extension community library, aka PECL. In order to encrypt a value, first you'll need an encryption key which can be generated using the Sodium crypto secret keygen. Okay, and this key is generated. You can also use the random bytes function with the Sodium key bytes integer constant for the key length, but using okay. Oh, so what it says is that this key shouldn't be like shown anywhere. Hmm. What does it mean by usually do this once and then? Okay, it's an environment here. Okay. Yeah, to encrypt the original array, pass it through the secret box function with the key and a generated nonce. To create a nonce, use the random bytes of function with the nonce bytes. Okay, integer. So the secret and nonce and key is created. This presents a problem because we need a nonce to decrypt the value later. Luckily, nonce doesn't have to be kept secret, so we can prepend it to the encrypted result, then base64 and code. Okay. So this captures event and you can G-code. Then what you can use is, because we know the length of the nonce, we can extract it using mb subtract. Okay. But okay, I have to understand what this does. I just need to know how can I store this key like just once and then like this key is created. Like store it once and then I have to check how can make this as an environment variable. How to make a variable. Oh, An associative array of variables passed to the current strip method. Mhm. Okay. I want to know how can I create a new environment variable? Mm-hmm. Okay, then I might like execute that once and then store it somewhere else. Like how can I? No, I just want to know how to create a declaration. Oh, okay. Setting your own environment variables. All right. So on Ubuntu, you can set your own environment variables that will last within the session that's created them. Ah, .ht access. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try something.
Don't never stop me. You know I fuck with Ross. I even went and bought the block $100 million strong. I really came from selling Ross. Championship belt, them VVS is spark. Still a hit the gas and get out on the narcs. Killers move for free, I just can't pick a cost. Put the drip on market, took it to the charge. Now I'm rocking with the biggest, and I'm fucking with the boss. I'm out.
You gotta go and let me down like that, hey, down like that. Oh why you go and let me down like that, hey, down like. I was nothing but loyal to you right from the start. You changed up on me as soon as things would get it hard. I've always seen the light as far as being in the dark, and you let me down like that, yeah, down.
Oh, it is not accepted.
Ooh, just keep. There you go. Money be dripping like water, tapping I want and I get it. I got my money in line with the queen, royalty making the credit. I gotta spend a lot, 5 figure when I
Oh.
put the trigger when it's shopping. If it look good on the neck or the wrist, pop out the black and then clock.
These niggas hating, I'm popping. Rock out with the Draco, I'm rocking. I signed a deal and then put up a song, and yeah, bitch, I took off like a rocket. I spent 200 on watches. I got the sauce, so they watching. I got 2 blocks to get both color beams. Yeah, bitch, you know how I'm rocking. AK, Red Dot, HK, Headshot, Kitchen, Crack Rock, Bathtub, Bath Salt. I'm serving up H. Drunk a A to the face. Wait, I'm out by Pink Wraith. Look at my diamonds dancing. Serving up H. Chris Hansen. I'ma go shoot up your mansion. I just ashin' and ashin'. Stop a nigga, I don't need boots. Hold you auto on both coops. Order me wonton soup. Why fuck one if I can fuck 2? Look at my wrist, Corona. My neck got Ebola. Doing drive-bys in the Yoda. Poured up a 7 like Oda. Just left Webster.
Okay.
Bitch, don't text her. No way, I might sex her. I'm geeked up
But
like
I think my PHP.
I want and I get it. I got my money in line with the queen, royalty making the credit. I gotta spend a lot, 5 figure when I put the trigger when it's shopping. If it look good on the neck or the wrist, pop out the black and then.
What's this?
Niggas hating, I'm popping. Rock out with the Draco, I'm rocking.
This because should be.
Put up a song, and yeah, bitch, I took off like a rocket. I spent 200 on watches. I got the sauce, so they watching. I got 2 blocks to get both color beams. Yeah, bitch, you know how I'm rocking.
I'm so ahead of the game, already making a sequel. Easy to view that I'm
I
winning.
just want to know what's the PHP
I
version.
got a team for the yacht. I got a team for the PJ. Got my account and show me my capital when it came back with an essay. I got a juice when I'm getting the women. Moving on like a relay. Fish 'em out with a big hook. Wanna fight, get a check, but winning and doing illegal. No one can fuck my people. I'm in a lane where the evil is pushing me up. Call me
Okay, so it's 7.2.34. And what is the version that's recommending? Should it like 7.3?
These niggas hating, I'm popping. Rock out with the Draco, I'm rocking. I signed a deal and then put out a song, and yeah, bitch, I took off like a rocket. I spent 200 on watches. I got the sauce, so they watching. I got 2 glasses, get both color beams. Yeah, bitch, you know how I'm rocking. Bitches, little pepper, now walking it, bit 50 G's in my pocket. Walking in a circle of hoes, cause bitch, I've been known on the topic.
Yeah, 7.2. I have 7.2.
And fuck all that lecture and shit, cause my shooter go straight to your noggin. I pop my 9 in this bitch. I probably pack on this bitch. And if a nigga try me to, you know he gon' die. I got slime in this bitch. I stay 10 toes, play hoes like Nintendo. I can't hop in, there's no tinted windows.
money be dripping like water, tapping out one and I get it. I got my money in line with the queen, royalty making the credit. I gotta spend a lot, 5 figure when I put
I don't know what's happening.
good on the neck of the wrist, pop out the black and then cop.
These niggas hating, I'm popping. Rock out with the Draco, I'm rocking. I signed a deal and then put out a song, and yeah, bitch, I took off like a rocket. I spent 200 on watches. I got the sauce, so they watching. I got 2 glasses, get both color beams. Yeah, bitch, you know how I'm rocking.
Yeah. Yeah. I wanna see you in. Look. I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open. Come take a ride, we can go where you like. I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open.
Wait a minute, I just want to see that.
Go where you like. I wanna see you in slow. She's slow, but the whip fast. Foot down, give her whiplash. Yeah. You and I, we a mismatch. Your light goals already did that. Driving through the Hollywood hills with a battery on my right. Left hand drive through the city at night. This the warning to the game, better put up a fight. Cause I be on my way, and I ain't being polite. I'm taking over like Golden Caesar. Got a one-way ticket to the life I'm dreaming. Bulletproof to the pain, got natural anesthesia. Like your girlfriend's dinner, I get better with season. Don't blink or you'll miss it. She's sending me signals like hieroglyphics. And I don't even need the digits. She got me on IG, she know. I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open. Come take a ride, we can go where you like. I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open. Come take a ride, we can go where you like. I wanna see you in slow
Going
motion.
slow, but she come fast. Only race where I come last. 93 boy, popping like a B-boy. Breaking down the bitches, make her freaking like a D-boy. Beast when it comes to the motions. I the creme de la creme with a lotion. Rubber clear legit like it's a 911.
What does it say? I have to add this to php.ini.
Keep it on the low. Hey, you might be doing it good. I do it better though. Keep the clip from under the hood. I watch her body glow. Fire when I'm using my wood. She know she wanna blow. Bees to the honey when they come around me. You wanna be the one, but I wanna have 3. Introverted and converted, extroverted. I feel I
Wanna see you
deserve
in
it.
slow motion. Come stay the night.
I think it must be in Zam.
In the morning, got the top open.
But this is Zam.
Come take a ride, we can go where you like. I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open. Come take a ride, we can go where you like. I wanna see you in slow motion.
Not bad. Tension equal to sodium. Oh gosh. PHP slash libsodium.dll to Apache slash bin and then restart the server.
To the early hours. Break bread cause the world is ours. Road trip, taking every bit of hope with. Now I'm in the scope, bitch, shooting down that whole shit. Top down, take a pic when the wind blow. Slow mo, got 'em rolling down the window. We got everything but nights
Some,
like this. Slow it all the way
and
down.
then I have to stop the server and then restart the server, right? Let's go. I'm just saying this. Back when I was looking up, da, 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 da. This mommy's a killer, killer. Okay, so this works, and then I have to check like everything works or not. I just want to know how to set up environment variables. Well, let's try. Yes. Oh.
Switch it up like I'm Shyamalan. Splitting up how I'm making money and I stay the villain like a shadow Khan. Nigga had to switch it up another level with the transformation Megatron. Hungry girl wanna come along. Come fast like Ramadan. Oh shit, now I'm on my biz like power.
I just want to try something else.
I'm killing it while the accountant is billing it, bringing it with shit. 10 day, I've let it like I'm Lorente. My body looking excellent.
I think I'm like the worst guy in naming.
Concerning over the shit I'm earning domain. Gas up like your greatest enemy. Empathy, I'm feeling numb to it. Feeling better now, I cut it off. Visualizing all the fun to it. Shit don't even fucking matter. Fuck your social ladder, fuck your social feeling. I don't give a fuck about a social figure, nigga.
There are 3 dots.
I'm the winner and I keep on saying so. I'm listening, but
Yeah, I pre-close the key.
no one can break down my colony. Look at my catalog. I'm a different nigga in the toughest economy. I came from the analog. Now I went with the digital. I'm the new pinnacle. Like I'm a
I don't know what to do. Because I know that this key is going to be like probably like it's a single key that should be generated, and then the password should be saved. Whew. Then I might have to like generate one key like this and then store this entire key into store somewhere else off the stream, because I don't want to show the key password, you know.
I got millions on my
Okay, it's something else.
Still I get so anxious, and I can't help me. Got my feelings on the line, and I get no answers. Something wrong with me.
I think I have to like generate this and then copy, like use the var dump. Not the var dump, but then. Oh my god, it's getting complicated.
I told myself I wanna finish, and I meant it. I hated every fucking second, hated every mention. Searching and screaming for all the reasons that you wanted more appealing and attention. You turned my blood against me, you made me hate my bestie. You fucking ruined me, man, but you don't care. Every message that I would send would just air. Oh well, fuck it, you got what you wanted at my expense. You did it, you already won it, and now I'm picking up my pieces. Done with all your leases. I hope you hear this and hate it. I got millions on my mind, still I get so anxious, and I can't help me. Got my feelings on the line, and I get no answers. Something wrong with me, cause I'm not on cloud nine. I don't wanna be your P. I got millions on my mind, still I get so anxious, and I can't help me. I know I'm not easy to be around. Hard times, you're holding me down, and I like how you smile. Even when I make a fool of myself, still you want nobody else, and that shit really helps. Diamond in the rough, you know I mean it. You don't want the money or the fame, you rather leave it. Leave it just to help out all the people with their mental. Fundamental, you are my sentimental dealer. Turning down
Let's
my
refresh.
compliments. I really hate it since I'm trying to boost your confidence. I really made it since you helped me with my issues. Stronger than ever, want you to know it forever. I got millions on my mind, still I get so anxious, and I can't help me. Got my feelings on the line.
Okay, so I don't think HT access is here. So what I can do is okay.
I don't wanna be your P. I got millions on my mind, still I get so anxious, and I can't help me. Drip and sip, drip and sip. Block. Pull up in the gold, I'm leading. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from Beeling. Leading the pack in black and I'm on with a bag. Snapping with a phone and dab. Boss up a man with a duster. Put him in the drip and sip, blockbuster. Win, that's the only ammo. Ring, I reply with Eno. Call me Leno, had it hot. Switch up the ting as I hit bellow. Switch up the ting as I drink mellow. Switch up the ting in my black and yellow. So fresh, clean. Saw the ting and she pop like hello. Drink from the bottle, I'm making a puddle. Call up the server to clean up the bubbles. She wanna sip with the glorious, like I'm the warriors. She wanna
a test of the double. Holy moly, that's a holy roly, dripping, dripping, icy skipping, showing, dipping, like him curvy, fucking early, curve the calling. Why she falling so annoying? Keep up the feeling and not feeling cold. Switch up on man if you
Oh,
pussy, you're trying to save love with a clinch. Fishing and then I'm OP with a bait. One win A, no debate. Letting them know I can never be late. CEO, bitch. Pull up in the gold I'm leading. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna go Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from Beeling. Leading the pack in black and I'm on with a bag. Snapping with a phone and die. Boss up a man with a duster. Put him in a drip and sip blockbuster.
Pull up, silent, can't pre me. I'm a nightman, ACG me. I'm a right fam, don't want freebies. SJWs can't PC me. Lyrics trouble you, yeah man, me free. That's why man I write bars fam, easy. Don't like what I say, SMD. Please didn't do nothing last time man. CA, pull up outside and meet me. About drugs, what boots or GP? About plug, what AC, DC? About tub, what ropes in PE? About
wow.
slugs, what
It's harder than I thought. Like finding encryption systems.
every time man see me, soon as I say bonjour fam, wee wee. Pull up them stats and see please. On road, online and TV. Do rag, cane roll or big greasy. Afro like risky rose DVD. You're a Game Boy Color, I'm PC. You can take part but you can't come PC. Cause man's foundation, you can't beat me. Better luck next time, GG. Pull up vinyl or CD. Either one fam, bust that wheelie. At your door like Sky or BT. Shake man up, get grimy and greasy. Road runner done told man, meet me. RT1, not a dyno GT. One wheel up to the sky like ET. Jake 100 style, you see me.
Pull up in the gold I'm leading. But them other man need feeding. I don't wanna
I can't
go
understand.
Bombay. Them I don't know what I do when I go from Beeling. Leading the pack in black and I'm on with a bag. Snapping with a phone and die. Boss up a man with a duster. Put him in a drip and sip blockbuster. Crown for the teeth. Royalty when I'm speaking the beef. I'm a G when it comes to the guap. I get M's when I play. I get M's when I stop. I get blend when I trade the devil for that letters. Watch me grow like a Madison Pairs. Styrofoam a 10 piece, then I get the bad that I pop from.
Wait, is it playing from this?
Long way. 218 on that.
I just want to play some music. What's happening? Oh. Mhm. Eh, like I want to like, I just want to know how I can store one variable. So the global variable does change. Let me open the. I don't want a hashing framework. That's a thing. This is like an implementation. I just don't want an implementation. I just want an. I just want to know how I can save this key like a global variable. Like, yeah. I think I can store it in database and then use that to like use the key from the database and then encrypt it. Decrypt it? Oh, okay. Let me try something. And I'm sorry, guys, I cannot show you the key just yet because if I show you the key, then it's going to be a major problem for me. Like, they can use this key to actually, do anything they want. So, for safety reasons, I'm just not going to show you the code. But yeah, okay. So this is the key, and then I'll just click into once. Ooh, you know what, guys? I was actually, having a conversation with one of my friends in Texas. I was telling him that I'm just live streaming onto the on YouTube, and he was like, just make sure you just get a confirmation from your professor whether you can actually what is it? Whether you can stream and then show the code. I asked my professor whether I can do something like that, and he was like, "Yeah, I'm sure you can go ahead, and as long as you don't like publicly give the code to others, then it should be fine. But showing your progress as like the project is actually good." And he really liked it. He was like, this it's nice that you are showing your um like the progress on YouTube, and yeah, I mean it's good. It's good. Okay. Oh, um, what is it? Yeah. Okay, and this is created. Values. I'm so sorry, guys. I cannot show you the code. That's the only reason I'm like, uh, like I don't know how the rules are affected. Execute. Like, check if this works or not. Okay. Let me execute this. What? I keep forgetting adding this query actually. Got it. Cool. So I should not execute this. I'll just make sure the password gets stored. Um, yeah, some junk value there. Okay, so it's there. Um, what I want to do is that I want to remove this, then remove this. I just want to make sure the value is coming back. I hope this works. Let's see if it works or not. All right. Um, it's the dump. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Awesome. It's working actually. It's working. But I cannot show you the key. Sadly, no. Whew. Cool. Cool. So I have like the key stored in what is them in a database, and I'm not going to show the database right now. It's very secret. Yeah. Now I can show the code because I don't know. I don't want anyone to steal the key and then use it to decrypt my passwords on the website. So in the add password, I have to change instead of the hashing mechanism. I have to, yeah. I should not use like I have to use hash password, but then I don't have to use the entire thing. Okay. So wait, that's not so. Okay, cool. Now what I want to do is I have to do random bytes. Okay, this key can be used as a random byte, but I don't want to use that. And then nonce, and then this is the encrypted result. You need the nonce to, okay. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste it here. Okay. And then for this one, I want it to be password. Yeah, it's password. Password, and then you have to base64. Okay. Create nonce, and I think I have to add a whole set of like a query, What I want to do is that I just want to like bring the key into the connection script, and then I'm going to import that key into everything, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like, yeah, I'm just going to copy the entire code that I wrote for getting the script, like getting the key, and then store it like as a secret key inside a connection script. So I think it's going to work. If it works, that would be great. Secret. Okay, and then just consent. Okay. Just one. What's this one? Okay, so I just created the key, like the dollar key. So whenever I import the connection, like the connection script, it should automatically, bring back the what is it? The secret key, I guess. I hope it does because encrypt the result, and then the hash password is going to be the base64 version. Like I just want this. Yeah. So this gets encoded and then gets stored. This is how like the add password should actually work. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete this password. Yeah, the password gets deleted. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to like check whether the encryption and decryption works. Add password, the website name's Logitech, or then the password I'm going to store is that 123. Yeah, just at gmail.com. Okay, so variable key is not there. And then uncaught sodium exception. Key size should be okay. I think I know what I did. It should be, let's go see. Now this gets stored, and then I have to check the database. All right. How can I go about? Yeah, so the password gets stored. That's awesome. Yeah. Now what I have to do is that I have to. Okay, now this is the real one. All right, so I want to implement the show password section right now. Oh, so the add password works, and then let's get started with the show password. After some time. We'll just take a 5-minute break. Ah, you know, I was actually seeing Friends, and I'm like, I just want to try the pretzels, and it's actually good to be honest. It's nothing but it's just salt and baked wheat, I guess. Yeah, it's like everything is wheat actually. I just want to try the bigger ones though, like the huge pretzels. You know what? Maybe after the stream, I might, finish up my assignment and then I'll submit it by today. I just don't want it to be neck and neck for tomorrow. Guys, so far, I've been really happy with the project. I'm not going to lie. I never thought I'm going to finish something like this. Like, this kind of design. I don't actually look at cost for the Black Friday deals because there's this thing where if you're like, you know, if you get something right now and during the Black Friday, obviously the price is going to get down. What you can do is you can use that to, um, like you can like submit some kind of form that actually does something called price match. $120 off on Mac. I just want to see whether I can get a controller or something. Xbox controller. Oh my god, the website is slow. Or is my internet slower? I'm not sure. How come they don't reduce the product? Like they reduce the price of this product. It's still $10. Yeah, I thought of actually buying an SSD, but then I just got a new hard drive right now. So video camcorders. Let's see the like this value of GoPro. Oh, it's $50 off. Okay, but I cannot afford to buy this something like this. Let's search for couch. How it like what's the cost? Holy shit! Wait a minute. I want to see like what is the actual like sale that's going on right now. Okay. $700 off on appliances. Google Nest thermostat. Let's check. So this is $50 off. You're getting two. Wait a minute. What? 256 GB, fifth gen iPad Pro for $1,100. Wait a minute. What is the cost of 12.9-inch iPad Pro? 1099 space gray. Oh, okay. Mine is cellular, like 11 cellular, so it costed me around 85,000. At the time, I needed one, so. Oh, this one is back ordered. Okay. Cool. Oh, $400. This is actually a good spec. i7 1080p. Yeah, this one's good spec. And then wow, this one is actually a really good spec, to be honest. It's cool. If you have someone like me who uses like virtual machines and stuff, I don't think the M1 is worth it. Worth it. If you're using it for like, you know, for other stuff like video editing and things like that, then maybe. It depends on the application that you use. But the minute, but the minute the VirtualBox or like VMware Fusion releases an update for M1 Max, like the Apple Silicon Max, I'm going to buy that for sure. You know, guys, this Costco, this membership, it's actually really good, to be honest. So if you like get this membership, I think it's $60 a year. So yeah, $60 per year, and then you get like reward points. And what Costco does is that you can either use the reward points to get something in the store, or you can use the reward points to get money. Yeah, I think this is absolutely worth it if you start working, because you get everything like very cheap. To be honest, gourmet foods. And I went Costco. It's massive. It's really huge. Vacuum, silverware, rugs. No, what is the cost of a rug? Oh, $16. I think it's good. Yeah, $16 is actually good for a rug. I wanted one actually because my floor is wood and it's really cold during the night. I'm actually wearing like a slippers, so I don't like walking with slippers, to be honest. Well, let's get started. Now, so this must be decoded. And then this does something. This shows the plain text. It's actually good. Easy implementation, cut copy paste. I'm not really in the mood right now to understand what's going on because I'm like super tired. Okay, that's it. Now I have to create a folder called master, and then I have to bring something like this to here as well. And I'm going to change this to God. I hate. Oh, don't do this to me. show confirmation, and I'm going to change it here. Hmm. Actually, I want to know how this works. Okay. So password and then backend password show confirmation. I think it's called show confirmation. Yeah, it's called show confirmation, and then you just pass the row ID over there. Yeah, show password is there. And then I have to change the show password confirmation. It should be similarly like delete, but then um, okay. Enter the master password. I'm gonna have to change the placeholder here, like similarly like here. And then I have to check the entire user details. Boom. Cool. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Kitchen dot prepare. Okay, execute password, get the result. Hash password is this. Okay, if the password gets verified, what I have to do is I have to get the password from the to get the password using password ID. Oh, okay. This must be done. Oh, but I didn't copy this one. Mommy's a killer, killer. Okay, I have to use show password for confirmation. Cool. So let me delete this, delete everything. You know what? I want to know whether I can show the password here itself. I don't want to go for another, like, I don't want to go for another page. I just want to make sure the page is required, like, it's required. I hate that sound. I just have to put do not disturb next time when I'm using the phone. Okay. Um, this is not required. what I can do is that I can start implementing this one. Dollar query, not key secret. I just want to make sure like query again password equal to, wait a minute, select password ID is this. Like we know the password ID. We know the password ID. Query. Connection. Prepare of dollar query get password. Find parameters. Param. Let's say decimal, and then password ID. Let's say command, and then dollar execute. Lookup, and we install the variable. So it's equal to get okay. So I just want to do like, I don't want to put hash password. I want to put like get password. Something like this, and then password, if statement, result, numbers is equal to 1, then while statement is going to be there, dollar row equal to dollar associate of password hashed equal to, I think it's dollar row password. Yeah, dollar row password. Awesome. So now that I got the password right here, I just want to know how to bring back this. So I have to first decode. It's called decoder or decode, yeah. This must be cheapest here. Password, and then retrieve the plain text. Just copy this. Just I hope it works, because if not, then I'm okay. And then I just want to echo this text center. All right. I hope this works. Really? Show confirmation PHP on line 120. Now it should work. Yay! Let's go! Woo! It's the magic of sodium, man. Magic of sodium. Sodium. Wow. This works actually. This works. But what I want to do is that I just want to show this password only for a certain period of time. Like, let's say for 15 seconds. Um, how to show a PHP page for certain seconds, I guess, or something like that. Okay. One down, two down, dashboard. Let's see if this works or not. Like after 15 seconds, it should go to the next page. Yeah, it goes to the next page. This is what I want. Simple. This is what I want because I just want to show the password for 15 seconds and then it should go off. Plain text and then like, I want to put like a break statement saying that this password will be displayed for 15 seconds only. Please do make a note of it fast. So show password. I'm entering my password. Works. It works like a charm, and I hope it works. Wow! It automatically, no? Let's go. Let's go. Uh, the password is Let's go, boys. Let's go. Whew. Now that I made sure like the functionality works, but I want to know if I go back, it won't work. It won't work. It's inbuilt security. I'm just kidding. I know there'll be some way that there'll be this some guy who, you know, yeah, he'll make sure some like he or she will crack my application in no second. Like, oh, dun 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 dun. It works, guys. And then if I click log out, it goes out. It works. I didn't expect to work like this well. Holy shit. Then, yep. Just click show password. Just that. And then, do you think like 15 seconds is too long? I think it's too long because yeah, someone can copy this, but then what I want to do is that I want to like add a new one. It does Balaji 123 111, and then password is Batman. Batman is the best. Then adidas@gmail.com. Then somewhere. Now, if I click show password, yay, it works. It works for like the other thing as well. But what I want to do is that I want to mask this entire thing because I just don't want to have like backend, show password, show confirmation.php. Um, yeah, I just want to mask. How to mask web address. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I have to see how I can do this because, and I just want to know whether this works on like the domain as well because I'm really excited for that because I want to make sure it's up in the domain, like my domain. Wow, it works. Oh, let's go. So what else do I have? I have the session management. I have um yeah, some nitty gritty stuff like polishing here and there, and I think this is good to go. I'm just going to upload everything onto the site that my professor asked me to do, and that I'm not going to do on stream because it's private. So yeah, I mean, I think that's it. That's it for the stream. To be honest, maybe if I do some editing on the website, I might start the stream again tomorrow. But then, as of now, I think this is the end of the stream. Like end of this 15 days. Well, it's not actually 15 days. I just stream for like 7 or 8 days at the max. I don't know, but yeah, I mean, I really like streaming, to be honest. I'm just like utilizing the time really well instead of just binge watching something or like some sort of series. I really like it. I like I might do it sometime, like for some kind of project, or maybe maybe for like for my preparation or some sort of preparation for interview or something like that. I don't know. I just have to like see what to do. What to do. But anyways, guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for tuning in for the entire stream. Like whoever came for the past 10, 15 days, I guess. Thank you so much. But if I'm going to do any changes to the website, I'll make sure I'll like live stream again for tomorrow. I most of the well, like most probably I'll do it for sure, but we'll see about that. But thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for the people who put like had a chat with me on the live stream. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.